Sabi ng iba, nagta-travel sila dahil may hugot sila sa buhay. Yung iba naman, gustong mag-move on mula sa sakit ng kahapon. O di kaya sobrang stress na, kaya nagpakalayo-layo. Pero ako, traveling is my first love. So kahit anumang rason yan mga ka-road trip, samahan niyo ako sa panibago na namang adventures ating dayuhin ang Bicol region. Alright, I just arrived here at Legazpi City Airport. Unfortunately guys, my volcano is not showing up. It should be there. It's actually half, so but it's nice. I'm very much excited to explore Bicol, so see you. So it's 11 in the morning, so we are actually here at the municipality of Erosin, so let's go to check. Alright, so I am actually here at Sorsogon Bay. So ang ganda dito guys, promise. It's like I'm the only tourist here right now. And it's actually 9:30 in the morning, and it takes like 100 kilometers, almost 100 kilometers from Legazpi City going here, and later we're going to explore Ang sobrang ganda dito, solong-solo ko yung place. I'm just like the only tourist here right now. So I am here in Sorsogon. Ang ganda ng place. Super ganda. Whew. It's nice kasi pag nagta-travel ka, you will experience new things. That's what I'm always saying. We humans, we have feet because we are meant to travel. And we are not like just stay just one place, just like a tree that has roots, something like that. So, ang ganda dito. Simoy ng hangin,
Para saan yung daan. Ang sasabi mo parang taga rito, Sorsogon mo. Pag Sorsogon mo sabihin.
Sinuyod mo, pang gano'n?
Yung parang yung river. Sundan mo lang.
Sinuyod mo yung river, pang gano'n.
Sorsogon, ang term na wala na sa Sorsogon, parang Sorsogon.
Kaya pala yung Sorsogon. Alright guys, so I am here in Barcelona, not in Spain, but here in the province of Sorsogon.
Itong Barcelona, Sorsogon, dahil yung mga first na mga Espanyol na nag-settle dito, naaalala nila yung Barcelona kung saan sila galing. So, kaya pinangalan nila rin ito na Barcelona.
Talaga.
Alam mo yung Barcelona.
So, ang ganda ng ruins. Ayan o.
Dating presidential building. Parang
See the, Spanish colonization during those times. So it means during the Spanish, it means mga 300 years na siya. No. So because the Philippines was actually, we were under 300 years under Spanish, right? So it means
1500s.
super tagal na, 500 years, something like that. No, like 400 I think, or 300.
400 sir.
Yeah.
Active na kasi yung 1600s. Mga 16. Ito mga bayan dito, kadalasan mga nasa 16 na.
So Barcelona, talagang ginaya dun sa Barcelona, Spain, no? Ano kaya masasabi ng parang... Hey guys, pasok! So tayo ngayon sa Binavesta Surf Camp.
Yes po.
Oh, ang ganda. Ano to?
Abaka po. Ay, hindi abaka. What I mean,
Parang
coconut.
abaka siya.
Hindi siya abaka ata.
Ah,
Parang yung sanyog po yan. Coconut husk. Coconut.
surf camp. Ganda dito.
Ayaw niya, sir. Excuse daw ko na po, sir. Matutunan ako, sir.
Bakit ka naman nahiya sa camera?
Feeling food ko na.
Iba-vlog lang naman yan sa YouTube. Saka...
Wala, ang ganda. O, tingnan mo. Ganda pa nakataas.
Walang entrance fees?
Wala po.
Ah, yung kaganda. Ang ganda ni ate. Tapos, ang ganda ni ate. Tapos hindi mo magpakita sa camera.
Tagpa ng notebook.
Nanakawin ko to.
Okay lang.
Sa lahat.
Okay lang
Nanakawin
po.
ko kasi hindi mo...
Malaki yung bawas.